Have submitted their certificate of candidacy, and this is up to October. No, October 1st.
October 1st.
Yeah, the certificate. Ngunit ang gagawin natin ay sapagkat ito ay maybe they are ready, kaya ang gagawin natin wala pa yung papeles, we will just conduct it nomination from the floor. So I want them to be nominated here so that they will be included as candidate for director. So, the chair, the table is open for the nomination for director. Ms. Arce is nominated. Ardita is nominated. Miss Garcia is nominated. Nene Jimena is nominated. Dali. Esther. And Renato. And Robbie. So there are already 8 nominated from the floor. So these are the candidates, and they will be proclaimed on October 12 if there are no other candidates. We'll just proclaim them, but if there are other candidates, then we will have a election. Cantana is nominated? Yeah. I think that she is not yet the Budipan member. Yeah. So, any nomination from the floor? Yes. I think in the guidelines, SEPA is already officer, top officer of other organization is going to disqualify. Kung gano'n, kung wala pa, then anyway, we have still up to October 1st na you can file your certificate of candidacy. Okay, picture. Kung panahon, yes, okay? He is an officer, maybe is he qualified for Yukino, Mr. Yukino?
Yeah, if he is interested.
Mr. Yukino is nominated as director. Decline and nomination. Okay. Kung wala na, then anyway, we have still up to October 1st. Ito ay para
Thank you, Mr. Salaka. In addition to that, I would like to inform you that Morina Sen Gatchan will not be running because of age problem. Teenager pa lang kanya siya hindi magraran as director. Maybe we will give her an important position, maybe executive officer of the Forever Young. And ang mudo ng election natin, it either be acclamation or by ballot. Kung walang opposition, by acclamation. Yung back acclamation, yung voice vote, yung diva pose, yung tatanungin na kayo, sino in favor dito kay Renato, gano'n. Yeah. Kung sasabihin nung hey, umayaw. Yun lang o. Kung wala akong opposition, through acclamation, para madali, we will be saving time and efforts. Ngayon, kung meron hong opposition, it will be by ballot on October 12. And ang makakaboto ho, yung mga membro na nag-renew ng kanilang membership at yung bago namang member, 30 days prior to the election. Halimbawa, nag-membro kayo ng Forever Young, 30 days before the election.
The secretary of the committee will read the guidelines for the qualification of candidates.
Voters first. Must be a member of good standing, has paid his or her dues on or before September 23. Ano na ngayon? 2008. Kaya kailangan magbayad na kayo kung gusto ninyong bumoto. New members who applied and paid 30 days before the election date are entitled to vote. So mga bagong miyembro na nakapagbayad 30 days before the election, before October 12, you can vote. Must fall under the FYSS regular membership category whose age is 50 years old and above. Kaya kagaya kung less than 50, hindi tayo makakaboto dito. Standing has no outstanding obligation with the FYSS, is a regular member and 50 years old and above. Must be a regular member of FYSS for at least 6 months from the date of his/her membership fee payment. Must not be holding a top rank position with any legitimate organization or society except with the Confederation of Filipino Association, CONFICA. A candidate should have demonstrated membership loyalty and commitment to FYSS, and to qualify as such, he or she should have attended a minimum of 3 or before 12 p.m. October 1, 2008 to COMELEC. So yung mga hindi na-nominate ngayon, you still have time to file your certificate of candidacy. We don't call it as opposition. Diba? Yung gusto lang mag-kandidato, you are free to file your certificate of candidacy. And that's it. At mga qualified election day, October 12, 12 p.m. to 2 dito. And kung sakaling may botohan, you should bring any of the following for identification purpose: care card or any senior's card, driver's license, SIN, citizenship, isa sa mga nabanggit. And I think that's the most important thing that they should own.
So, in addition to that, those who have been nominated in the floor, from the floor will be just file their certificate candidacy for record purposes. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And for your information, lalong-lalo na rito sa mga kaibigan natin dancer, sa araw ng eleksyon, sayawan din. Kapag nag-i-eleksyon, wag lang yung counting. So may sayawan. Okay, thank you.
Ito na si Romeo, nakita niyo naman ha. Nahabol ko palagi. After 38 years, hanggang ngayon, nahabol ko pa rin. Meron sana kaming short announcement dito. We sadly announced the passing of the partner of one of our officers dito. Kung natatandaan niyo si Patrick McCusker, he passed away early part of September. To request everybody to stand up for just 1 minute or maybe a few seconds, and let's have our silence of prayer for Patrick McCusker.